So guys, we're catching an Amtrak 98 right now. We're trying a new thing. Tripod, we couldn't get it in time. So we have it, but we can't use it on the shot because the terrain. Here he comes though, he's coming. On this bridge. Trying to see him. Trying to get the best thing I can of him. There he is. Here he comes, guys. Oh my gosh! He's got a Dash 8! Daddy has a Dash 8 with him. This is rare. Woo-hoo-hoo! He's got a Dash 8 with him. And we're gonna catch him twice, too. He's got a Dash 8. Film the Dash 8, Dad. Holy. 514. There goes the Dash 8. That's crazy, dude. That's my first Dash 8 I've seen. There he goes, guys. We're gonna go catch him after he leaves the station, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.